subscribe to Ride with VJ and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive the latest notifications.
Hi everyone!
We hope you are doing fine.
Welcome back to another vlog of
Ride with VJ.
That was nice. That was totally fun with this kids. Without any further ado, let's start a vlog. Today's vlog is gonna be special. Obviously, all the vlogs are special. But why it is special is like we're going to do the walk around video of Benelli TRK 502. So stay tuned with me. Our destination is on the left.
Here for the trek?
Nice beard.
Are you here for the trek?
I'm here for the Benelli TRX 502.
I just booked it.
Oh, great man! Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yes, you're absolutely right. Here we go with the Benelli TRK 502X, which is standing right here. Firstly, you go look at the bike, take a closer look of the bike, then we'll talk specs of the motorcycle. I hope you would like the video. If you like that video, give me that big like. So let's get into the specifications of the motorcycle. As you all know, this is a brand new ADV midline segment of Benelli. Surprisingly, you don't feel that it is a midline segment. You can feel the multi-strada in the front, and when you go back, you can see the tram tiger look. So the engine, what you see here, it is a 500cc inline 2-cylinder oil-cooled 4 valves, which produces 47 bhp and 46 Nm of torque at 6,500 rpm. I guess I might go here and there in the power specs, but see the tank. It's a huge tank, which is a 20-liter capacity, and it's a dual-channel ABS. Talking about the dual-channel ABS, to be precise, that it is a switchable ABS. You can switch it off when you take it, when you rip it off-road, you can switch it on, and when you are back on road, when you're touring a lot, if you want it in a wet road condition, so you can switch back. So that's one of the things which very wonderful. And look at the luggage setup. I just fall in love with the panniers of this motorcycle. Although you have to get it separately, they don't offer panniers with the motorcycle, but that's a good setup to have panniers from Benelli itself. That's wonderful. And so as of now, the test drive is not available, and you can book the motorcycle anyhow. You can book it online, or I'll leave the link in the below description so that you can just go hit that. And booking token amount is just 10,000. Talking about the motorcycle price, on-road price, any guesses that you have? This muscular motorcycle, any guesses that you have? I know you'll get surprised when I reveal the price. Don't believe me. So there are two models in it. One is 502, just 502, and the other one is 502X. So 502 will be costing you somewhere around 5 lakhs. That's the ex-showroom price. And 502X, which get these spoke wheels, and the only difference between the 502X and 502 is the alloy wheels, but still these are the fork wheels, but it is a tubeless tire. That is a wonderful thing to have when you go on long tours. So that's the price point. I'm surprised with the price, because getting a muscular motorcycle like this just in that mid price range, if you take a Tram Tiger, it is almost 18 lakhs, and Benelli, it is just like 5 lakhs and 5 lakhs 40,000 ex-showroom price in India. And these are the power specs of the motorcycle. We'll definitely taking inside and getting you more information on fast ride expression and all, and also the long travel suspensions, which will make you fall in love while going on tour, or while driving it in long ways, or when you take it out on complete off-road. I think that I wanted to tell you that it's just a 500cc motorcycle. Why the motorcycle is 235 kgs, that is something I didn't understand, but still they should be doing something with the weight. Weight is something very good to manage on the roads, that when you break it down, you don't fall off from the motorcycle. Weight will manage you. You'll have that good gravity on the road, but 235 kgs is something when you try to pull it back, then you'll. So let's take inside the instrument cluster. So this is going to be the beast machine key. Look at the instrument cluster. Let me try to understand what do we get from it. I see a speedometer, trip meter, a clock and net, and a fuel meter. This is RPM, and we have few more switches here. The engine is a 6-speed fuel injection to be added to that. So the trip to total, what do we have in it? Miles. Okay, so this is something great. You can also look at it in miles and also in kilometers. So I was talking about the switchable ABS, right? So right here is a switch. Of course, the tank is made of fiber, but at this point of time, I can't speak anything about the tank or fiber, because if I get onto the motorcycle and drive a little bit, only then I can understand the vibrations, if there are any vibrations. And you don't have to go anywhere to install a power charger, mobile charger. You get it on go with this motorcycle on the right side of the tank, which is here, and that is it says that 10 watts 5E2A is wonderful. How about cranking the motorcycle and hearing to the inline 2-cylinder heartbeat? What do you say? Let's go. Let's start the motorcycle then. Okay, let's crank the baby. Wow. So let's rip it little hard and go to the core motorcycling sound. Wow, powerful. These are some protections on the motorcycle, crash guards I would say, because most of the motorcycle is fiber, so when you crash it won't hit the ground first. You have good safety on the motorcycle. You have this great crash guards installed in the front side. Whew, it's too heavy, that 235 kgs, and I'm off the ground. I can't reach the ground perfectly, because of the seat height is high, and I guess you get the monoshock adjustment in 502X. Not sure about that, but I'll be leaving a clear description about that. but a person, it is a perfect ADV for a person who is 6 feet height. Look at him, is reaching the ground very easily. I was finding difficulties, only my toe was reaching it, and except all was in air. So that was all about Benelli TRK 502X. I'm gonna do a first ride review because it would take other 40 days to hit the roads. So I hope you like this video. Share this video with your friends and family. If you like this video, give me that big like. And if you're watching me for the first time, subscribe to my channel right below here. And stay tuned to Ride with VJ. A lot more to come. Signing off. Bye bye.